Mr. Mabasa is one of the 22 million South Africans living in rural areas under the governance of a traditional authority. He keeps a field in a small village in Gazankulu. Gazankulu is a former apartheid homeland now governed by a traditional authority.
I had this field for 23 years. Now I used to sell what I get from this field. I sell to people, and some I used to feed my children and myself. I used to hire 7 people to help me working on the field, paying them at the end of the month. I've worked in the garden, in the field. I fertilized the place. I've done everything.
Mr. Mabasa received a letter from the traditional authority saying that he was going to be evicted from his field as it was going to be used for housing plots.
Written me a lot of letters. The one which I've got, I think I've got 9 letters which I've hold it. They called me to the office 12 times, telling me the same thing, that we want this field to be taken from you, but you won't get anything. You can go anywhere where you want. You won't get anything from us.
Work began building houses in his field. Fences were put up dividing the field into plots.
So with me, you just tell me to disappear without getting anything. Take your fence and go away. You can see that that was not nice to me.
It was at this point that he contacted the LRC.
They're helping me because when I saw that they're starting to take my place, I went to them, I report to them so that they can help me. Well, I have seen the fruits. They're trying to help me. They're taking me to people who can talk to me and show me how to do it.
The case is a deprivation of the informal land rights holder by the traditional authority and the chief without taking into consideration his concerns.
I don't pay them. They just help the old men like me. Because they see I'm old. At the age of 72, I can die anytime. To you, I've got plenty of life. To myself, I can see I've eaten a lot of bags of meal. I must give chance to others now.
The next step, it will be writing a letter of demand to the traditional council, telling them that they have to stop allocating plots to other people in the fields of Mr. Mabasa, and will give them 14 days to say, unless they pay him what they are paying other people, will have no other option than to go to court to ask for a court interdict to force them.
Oh.